That sudden tight cramp in your leg at night, the stiffness in your back after sitting too long. Let's change that starting now with chair yoga designed just for you. If you're over 50 and looking for safe, easy, feel-good movement in the right place, chair yoga can help you stay flexible, balanced, and strong without ever leaving your seat. Find a sturdy chair with no arms or wheels. Sit near the edge with both feet flat on the floor, back tall, and shoulders relaxed. Keep water nearby and let's begin. Start with breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, let your shoulders soften. Let tension leave with every breath. Let's roll the shoulders. Inhale, lift them up to your ears. Exhale, roll them back and down. Do it again. Feel the warmth waking up those muscles. Tilt your right ear toward your right shoulder. Hold and return. Now, tilt left. Let your breath guide the stretch. Raise your arms and make small circles forward. Nice and easy. Now reverse. This gets your blood flowing and loosens up stiff joints. Hands out in front. Open your fingers wide, then gently close them into fists. Now roll your wrists both ways. Keep it smooth, no rush. Hands on your knees. Inhale at your back, lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin. That's cat. It gently warms your back and spine. Right arm up. Inhale. Exhale, bend left, reaching overhead. Keep both sit bones on the chair. Feel the stretch. Come up, then switch sides. Place your right hand on your left knee. Gently twist to the left. Breathe in tall. Exhale deeper. Return to center and switch sides. Clasp your hands behind your back or grab the chair sides. Lift your chest slightly, squeezing your shoulder blades. Hold and breathe. Open your heart. Inhale, arms reach up toward the ceiling. Exhale, float them. Down like a sunrise and sunset. Repeat slowly with breath. March in place while seated. Right knee up, down, then left. Alternate slowly. Engage your thighs and core. Keep breathing. Straighten your right leg. Flex your foot. Hold. Lower gently. Switch sides. This strengthens your knees and wakes up sleepy legs. Lift one foot slightly and rotate your ankle clockwise, then counterclockwise. Now switch. Keep the movement smooth and easy. Tap your toes quickly on the ground like you're playing a piano. It looks simple, but it boosts circulation and foot awareness. Extend one leg forward, heel down, toes up. Hinge forward slightly. Stretch that calf. Feel the back of your leg open up. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. Sit tall and gently lean forward. Hello, hips. Don't force it, just breathe and soften. Switch legs, place a pillow or yoga. Block between your knees, gently squeeze. Hold and release. Great for inner thighs and pelvic strength. Hug your right knee to your chest. Feel the stretch in your hip and lower back. Breathe deeply. Switch legs, slow and gentle. Bring your hands together at your heart. Feel grounded, feel thankful. This moment is all yours. Let's take care of it. Close your eyes if you're comfortable. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4. Repeat. Let the calm take over. Let's do a quick body scan. From the top of your head, down your shoulders, arms, spine, hips, legs. Notice any areas holding tension. Wherever you feel tight, breathe into it. Imagine the tension melting away like ice in the sun. You deserve to feel light. Reach both arms up overhead. Stretch long through your fingertips. Exhale and let your arms float back down like feathers. Cross your arms in front of you, palms together if possible. Lift elbows, drop shoulders, eagle arms. Switch sides after a few breaths. With both hands on the chair's sides, gently twist your torso to one side. Look over your shoulder, breathe, then switch. Rock forward and back slightly on your sit bones. Feel your spine move. It's a mini massage, especially helpful for low back relief. Drop your chin to your chest. Roll your head gently to one side, then back and around. No rush. Let the tightness ease. Give your face a break too. Open your eyes wide. Raise your brows, puff your cheeks, then relax. Release that jaw tension. And now, just smile. Even a small one changes your brain chemistry. You've already done something amazing today just by showing up. Take a sip of water now. Hydration is part of self-care. Keep that bottle nearby after this session ends. Chair yoga is more than exercise, it's a ritual, a way to check in, slow down, and honor your body exactly as it is. Practicing this regularly improves posture, balance, mood, and energy. You might just notice fewer aches and more pep in your step. You made a great choice today. Your muscles, your mind, and your future self all thank you for this 15-minute gift of movement. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share with a friend over 50, and hit subscribe for more Wellness Made Simple. Thank you for being here, for showing up for yourself. We'll be right here next time you need a little calm, a little stretch, or a little reset.